In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms to collect meal choices for school. This handy tool is perfect for making sure everyone gets their favorite meal on time, effortlessly. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to access Microsoft Forms. Make sure you're signed in with your school or work credentials. If you're new to Microsoft Forms, you can easily access it through your Office 365 dashboard or by searching for Microsoft Forms online. Once you're signed in, you'll find an option to create a new form. You'll see buttons labeled New Form or New Quiz. Either choice is a great starting point, but for our purpose today, let's go with New Form. Now that you're in, it's time to give your form a title. Choose something clear and straightforward so everyone knows exactly what they're dealing with. Something like School Lunch Selector. If you like, you can add a description to give a little more context, such as a friendly reminder about choice deadlines. Next, it's time to dive into creating questions. Select choice as the question type. This will allow respondents to choose from a set of predefined meal options that you provide. A good example question might be, what would you like for lunch today? Straightforward and to the point, you want to ensure it's clear and unambiguous. Now comes the fun part. Entering the meal options, you might have favorites such as pizza, chicken sandwich, or salad. Enter each option separately, so it's easy for individuals to select their meal preference. If you need to collect meal choices for multiple days or meals, consider creating separate questions for each. This will keep your form organized and easy to navigate. When you're finished setting up your questions, it's time to collect those responses. You'll find a button labeled Collect Responses. Click it, and you'll be presented with options for who can respond. It's crucial to set the right permissions here. You may opt to restrict responses to students only, ensuring privacy and relevance. Finally, you'll want to share the form. Microsoft Forms provides a link that you can easily copy and paste into emails or other communication channels. This makes it simple for everyone to access the form and submit their meal choice. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a streamlined process for collecting meal choices. It's a fantastic way to ensure efficiency and clarity, keeping both you and the students happy. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.